Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're on another project this morning. Got the boys digging up the backyard, excavating. This is gonna be all new walkways, new step, walkways out. These borders are out. Next, we're building steps right there, window well, pavers. All this is gonna be pavers. We will be building an island right over here. A little retaining wall right there, so we can bring all this nice and even. This is gonna be a nice project. It's about, I would say, 2,500 square feet of pavers. It's gonna look real good when we're done. Steps coming off. We're gonna have curbs all around the yard. Got a nice little pond right here. It's gonna look so nice. So we just got our base prepared. So we're gonna be installing these steps off the patio door. Got the first step in, just compacting it. We gotta compact it by hand. You gotta make sure that base is really well compacted because the second step will be sitting on top of that. So very important that that has a good compaction. Very nice. All right. Getting it compacted, got the dumping jack going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the base is compacted. We got our geotextile fabric in. This whole base has been compacted very well. We spent almost all day compacting this area and the side of the house. Got a window well. That looks good. We actually got in a little concrete pad yesterday for the island. Here it is. It's curing right now. So here's what the pavers look like. Color combination with the house. Very nice. Client is very happy with this color. So am I. It's a very good combination. Getting this whole backyard prepped right now. Just leveling out the floor. Here's that concrete pad I was showing you guys. It doesn't need to be smooth or perfect. This is where the island will sit. Looking nice and perfect. We're gonna start building the island right now. Check that out. We have a nice coffee on the top there after. So it takes a little more time to build the pad. A lot of people don't build pads underneath the islands. They just build those blocks on the gravel. But yeah, I like to go the extra mile here, extra 10 miles. So this island will be durable, solid, and long lasting. Well, I think they all mean the same thing, but you know what I mean. Looks really good. So here it is. I'm gonna make sure that I'm the first one using this island. Have a little coffee on it or something like that. Retaining wall is up. It's looking very good, very solid. So it's coming along. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, please smash that like button. It does help the channel a lot. Check out the end results. It's gonna be sweet. This is gonna be a very gorgeous backyard when we're done, so you're gonna want to watch till the end. Pavers are all in. Good stuff right there. Here it is up to now. It's looking fantastic. The pavers Beautiful, beautiful color. Matches very well with the home. And check out the combination with the shed. I mean, it's just a beautiful color. I really like it a lot. We got our wall done. I don't know if you see it, the machine's in the way, but where is it? So hard to point on this thing. Forget it, it's right there, guys. Right there. I'll show you the rest when it's finished. Sweet pawn, very nice. All right, guys, well, keep watching, of course. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. Watch until the end. And don't skip these videos, guys. All right? I see you guys. Just kidding. I would say 95% is done. You get the picture, it's coming together. What do you guys think of those steps? From a distance? I love it, guys. How about you? You like it? Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, guys. And that's it, we're almost done, guys. That's gonna be pretty cool. Hey guys, so backyard is finished. Look at this. That beautiful island, beautiful structure. Backyard is completed. I just finished putting the sand on it. So here's what it looks like.